If you think of Tony Stark as Iron Man, right? As a human being, he has everything. He's good looking, he's rich, he's super smart, right? He's got the trifecta. But if he goes out and fights all these aliens, he's gonna get killed, right? So what does he have to do? He has to create the suit. And the suit's great, but without Jarvis, the AI, the suit's kind of just a chunk of metal. And then if you put Minority Report in there, where, I don't know if you remember the movie, but he had these gloves on and he was in front of these screens where he was kind of just swiping things left and right. I genuinely think that we're going back to, full cycle sales where the sales professional is going to be staring in front of a single pane, and instead of trying to figure out, oh, who should I talk to today? We're going to be having information given to us, be like, John, you need to call so-and-so. And by the way, you don't need to email them, you need to call them because they just did these 5 things and their company just did this and they just posted that. And when you call them, make sure that these are 3 snippets of things that you mentioned because here's some relevant information for you. And so if you think of the human plus the tech plus the AI, you can start to envision Iron Man, Iron Woman, but we just need the technology to give us so that we can be as valuable as possible in that interaction.